Samsung has brought on board Hubert Lee, a former designer at Mercedes-Benz, to give their Galaxy phones a fresh look, starting with the upcoming Galaxy S25. However, the S25 will not be the first to sport this new design. That distinction belongs to the Galaxy Z Fold 6. As per rumors from South Korean media, the Z Fold 6 will share the same design as the S25 series. Unlike the Ultra lineup, the Z Fold phones have not changed much since the Z Fold 3, so this upcoming change is eagerly awaited. The exact details of these design changes are still unknown, but rumors from South Korean media have also revealed some interesting information about both the Z Fold 6 and the Z Flip 6. For the Z Fold 6, Ross Young has recently reported an increase in both the inner and outer screen sizes. We do not have direct access to Ross Young's DSCC report, but industry sources suggest that this might finally offer the wider cover screen that users have been asking for years. Now, the drawback of increasing the display size is that the weight will also increase. But that will not be the case with the Z Fold 6. Samsung has instead managed to lower the weight of the phone. How did they do that? Well, by making the phone thinner. They will also use a titanium frame like the S24 Ultra, so the phone will have a lighter build without sacrificing durability. Now, another major issue with Samsung's foldables is that annoying crease. While the competition has found a way to make it less noticeable, Samsung's foldables still suffer from it, and the company does not seem to care about fixing it. But that might finally change with the Z Fold 6, according to these rumors from South Korea. But since we hear the same rumor every year, only for them to ignore it, I'm not very confident about this one. Still, I hope they finally do something about it this time. By the way, the Z Fold 6 is also rumored to have thinner bezels, so along with a smaller crease, it will result in a sleeker, more seamless design. Moving on to the Z Flip 6, it is expected to benefit from several enhancements from its bigger sibling, including thinner bezels, a less visible crease, larger inner and outer displays, lower weight, and a completely new design. The cover screen of the Z Flip 6 is said to be 3.9 inches, a significant 15% increase compared to its predecessor. In summary, both the Z Fold 6 and Flip 6 represent a huge step forward, bringing about major upgrades after several years of minor tweaks.
Chicos, ya
For
no
more
voy a
updates,
utilizar
please
este
subscribe and I'll see you
teléfono,
tomorrow.
así que
Peace
se lo
out.
voy a